I think you mentioned the concept of SIPA, right? So it's just for the benefit of whoever's listening in. SIPA means it's an act, right, by the government that provides for the dispute to be resolved via adjudication, and you also pointed out arbitration and how it's up at how SIPA feels like it's litigation, right? But I think in the mind of a lawyer, those three methods are totally different from each other, right? So if we start with adjudication, adjudication means you submit the dispute at hand to an expert who's an adjudicator, and they adjudicate on the matter and provide a decision on that, right? Whereas arbitration, quite similar to adjudication, again, you submit to either one expert or a panel expert, right? And then you go to arbitration center. It's more private, it's more confidential, and you also get if your dispute is related to construction, you can get a particular expert on construction to arbitrate on the matter. And then lastly, of course, we're talking about litigation, which is you go to the Malaysian courts, right? And of course, for the courts, it's based on quite random assignment, right? There are specialist construction court, but in general, when you go to court, you don't really get to choose whether there's an expert that comes from your matter.